Good morning, dear participants. Myself, Manoj Brahme, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Information Technology from St. Vincent Proti College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur, Maharashtra, welcome you all for the session on exploring online labs, OLabs, for online practical conduction in schools. After completion of this session, the learners will be able to explore online labs, OLabs, for online practical conduction in physics, chemistry, biology, maths, and English. So let us move ahead. Here to go to Google and search for OLabs. Then you get this link olabs.edu.in. You have to just open it. This is online labs for schools. This is developed by Amrita Vishwavidyalaya in association with CDAC Mumbai, and it is funded by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Maybe while going through this video, some of the school teachers have already gone through this OLabs, but I am covering this OLabs for those teachers who don't know about OLabs. This is a new way of conducting online practicals with the help of internet. And in a post corona pandemic period, this is a best way of experiential learning. In OLabs, digital contents are mapped to school syllabus with the interactive simulation and many more things. Currently, OLabs supports 5 subjects in schools: physics, chemistry, biology for the classes of 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th, mathematics for 9th and 10th classes, and English for some general English grammar related things. What is OLab? The OLab is based on the idea that lab experiments can be taught using internet more efficiently and less expensively. The labs can also be made available to students with no access to physical labs or where equipment is not available owing to being scarce or costly. This helps them compete with the students in better equipped schools and bridges the digital divide and geographical distances. So see how this wonderful idea has helped out even the rural students in India where they don't have the physical labs, and they can also compete with the students in a better school. The experiments can be accessed anytime and anywhere. That is, this is based on the concept of Education 4.0, overcoming the constraint on time felt when having access to the physical lab for only a short period of time. Because according to school time, the student will get only access during the school practical hours, and if a particular student is a slow learner, then he cannot understand the things. He never get a chance to repeat his experiment. He has to give request, and even if the request is accepted by the school authorities, they don't have that much time to accommodate that. But here 24/7 from any place, anywhere, anytime, based on the Education 4.0 concept, the Amrita Vishwavidyalaya and CDAC Mumbai have developed a very wonderful software useful for each and every student and teacher. So we will go through the demo of that. The features of these OLabs are: it includes the content aligned to NCERT and CBSE as well as state board syllabus. As I mentioned, physics, chemistry, biology labs are from 9 to 12. Maybe they are adding some things in future. English and maths lessons are from class 9th and 10th. It has interactive simulations, animations and lab video. The concepts and understanding of experiments, and the ability to perform, record and learn experiments anywhere, anytime, and individualized practice in all areas of experimentation. So it is a way of inclusive learning. If you remember to my video of learning model, inspirational learning model for education 4.0 global school, I have given the example of inclusive learning. So this is inclusive learning. Any person with a money, without a money, any student can undergone the concept, and he can repeat the same things again and again for a better understanding. So assessment is also there. So this is, as mentioned, a very wonderful thing. The OLabs are hosted at this website, and access to OLab is free for school upon registration. So registration are available if you go through this one. They are also conducting the workshops. Training calendar are provided for conducting the workshop for the school. Registration can be done by teachers separately, by students, and for schools. Then you will get individual logins and many more things. So let us explore some of the experiment. So for example, if you click on physics, you get the list of the practicals which they have covered for class 12th. So roughly currently 16 practicals are covered. Then class 11th, many more practicals. Then class 10th and class 9th. So let us take one example of class 9th. A very popular experiment, Newton's third law of motion, which each one of us has studied, either the engineering student or a school student. And it is most important law of Newton's, which says to every action there is equal and opposite reaction. So for every experiment, they have provided many more things. First tab is theory, in which the objective and complete theory of that experiment is given with the wonderful diagrams, explanation, images, and many other regular day-to-day life applications of Newton's law related to that particular every experiment. Then there is a tab called procedure, which tell us the complete procedure for doing real labs. What are the steps in doing the procedure for real labs? What are the procedure for doing simulator? What will be the observation? How to take readings of those observations, result, and precautions. Third tab is for animation, where they have provided animated videos which are related to that particular experiment, and then you can go through those animations. So some of the videos are available in internet. Then there is a simulator, and in the simulator it has shown the simulated experiment. Here for example, if I change the acting force from n is equal to 1, then for every action there is a reaction. For both the side of the springs, it shows that whatever force you are applying, similar force is applied here at the other end of the spring. So after simulator, then video of a walking video of a complete experiment is explained here. It is not visible but currently, but it is available. Then Viva Voce. So they have given the many questions which will be asked to the students during Viva Voce, and student can practice this, they can submit this, and they can check out how much they have prepared and how much knowledge they have acquired. The resources are provided from where the books and the websites where the detailed resources will be provided, and the students and teachers can give the feedback for this one. So this for each and every subject which are mentioned in the OLabs, all the type of tabs which I have explained are available, and you can go through all other experiments. Again we'll go to the home page. So OLabs has two websites. In Amrita Online Labs, which is developed by them, they have only the websites, this Amrita University, they have the list of only physics, chemistry and biology. But to the main website olabs.edu.in, you have all the 5 subjects. Like in chemistry, you'll get the list of experiments of the chemistry for class 12th, then class 11, class 10 and class 9. Then for biology, you also get a list of experiment from class 12th, then class 11, class 10 and class 9. For mathematics and English, they have covered class 10th and class 9 experiments. So here these are the experiment of class 10th. 12 number of experiments are given for class 10th, and then some experiments for class 9th. So you can go through the experiment. For every experiment, you will get a detailed enriched resources with the simulator, with the video, a practice session and all. The last subject which is supported currently is English. Here you will see the English practical conduction for class 9th and 10th can be is possible with the help of this English practicals, which are given like preposition, active and passive voice, tenses, comprehension, direct and indirect speech, subject verb agreement, and singular and plural. So this is a very wonderful website and is totally based on the concept of education 4.0, and the most important, it is also the based on concept of education 4.0 for anyone. Anyone can access either a school through their login, the teachers or students from any devices, and then they can understood the basic concept of the practicals in physics, chemistry, biology, maths and English. And I think many more subjects can be added here. So I hope this OLabs will be really useful, specifically during the current post-pandemic period of Corona, where students cannot visit the school and it is difficult for the school teacher to conduct the practicals. Anyhow, the school teachers are managing the theory classes for 9th and 10th, 11th and 12th, which is most important years. But with the help of OLabs, they can even conduct the practicals related to the important subjects as mentioned here. So I hope you have better understood OLabs, and at your end you can log into OLabs and view and use this material free of cost anywhere and anytime. If you have any queries related to this, you can drop me a mail at the mentioned mail ID. Thank you very much.